Welcome back to Ultimate Luxury Cars. In this video, we are going to take an in-depth look at the 2026 Volvo ES90 marks a bold step forward in Volvo's electrification journey, introducing a sleek, all-electric flagship sedan that blends Scandinavian elegance with advanced air technology. Designed on a next-generation electric platform, the ES90 carries Volvo's hallmark design QS clean lines, a minimalist aesthetic, and a focus on safety while pushing into new territory with powerful performance and long-range capability. Multiple powertrain options cater to a range of driving preferences, from smooth, rear-wheel drive efficiency to dual-motor all-wheel drive performance, with rapid charging capabilities, a spacious interior, and intelligent software features. The ES90 is positioned as a luxury for drivers who prioritize both innovation and understated refinement. The 2026 Volvo ES90 is more than just a car, it's a statement about the future of sustainable mobility, rooted in Volvo's heritage of safety, design, and environmental responsibility. The 2026 Volvo ES90 blends sleek Scandinavian simplicity with futuristic electric vehicle aesthetics. Its silhouette leans toward a fastback sedan, offering a smooth roof line that flows seamlessly into the rear, giving the car a coupe-like profile without sacrificing practicality. The design is clean and aerodynamic, with minimal body creases and a low drag coefficient, helping both range and refinement. The front of the ES90 features a closed-off grille, a signature element of electric Volvos, flanked by sharp Thor's hammer LED headlights. The headlights have been updated with a more modern, segmented light signature, offering both visual appeal and high-function adaptive illumination. The sides are sculpted but smooth, emphasizing the car's long wheelbase and low stance. Flush door handles pop out when needed, and blacked-out window trims, pillars, and wheels, on higher trims, give it a sporty, premium look. Large alloy wheels ranging from 19 to 22 inches fill the wheel arches, depending on the variant. At the rear, the ES90 showcases signature C-shaped LED taillights that wrap into the body, connected by a thin LED strip across the trunk lid. An integrated rear spoiler and sculpted bumper give it a planted, athletic posture. The absence of exhaust dips reinforces its fully electric identity. Expect a refined color palette with muted metallics, icy blues, matte grays, and classic Volvo whites and blacks, alongside a few bold, premium tones for performance trims. Inside, the 2026 ES90 continues Volvo's theme of minimalism, calmness, and premium sustainability. Every surface is thoughtfully curated to reflect a balance between luxury and eco-conscious design. The dashboard is wide, low, and uncluttered. A large, vertically mounted 14.5-inch touchscreen dominates the center console, running an advanced infotainment system with integrated Google Apps and voice control. A 9-inch digital driver display sits behind the wheel, and a full-color head-up display provides additional driving data without distraction. Physical buttons are minimized, with key controls for climate and volume integrated into the screen or on the steering wheel. Ambient lighting runs subtly across the dashboard and doors, offering configurable themes that adapt to driving modes or moods. The cabin uses a mix of natural wool blends, recycled textiles, vegan leather alternatives, and responsibly sourced wood or metal trims. High trims offer genuine open-pore wood, brushed aluminum, or even crystal gear selectors. Everything feels solid, soft to the touch, and meticulously crafted. The ES90 seats 5 comfortably, with deeply contoured, heated and ventilated front seats offering full power adjustment and massage functions on higher trims. Rear passengers enjoy generous legroom thanks to the long wheelbase, and available features include heated rear seats, climate zones, and powered rear sunshades. A large center console provides deep storage bins, USB-C ports, and wireless phone charging. The rear seats split fold, expanding cargo space from a generous trunk to a much larger flat loading area. A small front trunk, frunk, offers extra room for small bags or cables. Top-tier trims include a premium surround sound system, such as Bowers Wilkins, tuned for immersive audio quality with built-in subwoofers and speakers integrated into the headrests or pillars. The cabin is ultra-quiet, with active noise cancellation and double-glazed glass, making it a peaceful space whether commuting or road tripping. A full-length glass roof stretches across the top, optionally electrochromic, allowing passengers to dim or clear the glass at will, adding light and openness to the already spacious cabin. The 2026 Volvo ES90 is expected to start around $70,000, with higher trims reaching up to $82,000. Pricing varies based on powertrain, features, and performance options. Entry-level models offer solid range and luxury, while top trims add dual motors, advanced tech, and premium materials. It's positioned as a high-end electric sedan in the luxury EV market. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, share and press the bell icon button.